Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take live photos or so-called motion photos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the camera app, and then we're going to make sure that the photo isn't in night mode, so night should be disabled, and we're going to press this arrow button on the top to enable motion photo. And now if I take a photo, for example, where something happens in it, or before it or during taking the photo, it's going to record a small video that has the motion photo option included. So you can press view motion photo, and it's going to play a video of what happened while you were taking that photo. So basically like live photos on the iPhone. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.